Hi, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If you like today's Dollar Tree haul, be sure to click that like button and share with people you know. It will really help my channel grow. And subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell right next to it. That way you won't miss any of my future DIY videos and haul videos. And it will also make you a member of my family here on YouTube. And by all means, leave a comment. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start in the health and beauty department. First is this LA Colors, and it's called Shocker. It's a Plump Gloss, instantly plumps lips, tingling sensation. Now I already have it on. This is what I'm wearing, and I can actually feel the tingling on my lips. So whether it's plumping it or not, I don't know. I haven't looked yet, but and it feels real good and soft on your lips too. Okay, and the next is this, is from Personal Care, and it's Rosemary, Lavender, Foaming Hand Sanitizer. Let me open it up and see what it smells like for y'all. You can smell the alcohol in it, but I can smell the lavender too. So it smells good. If I can just get the lid back on it. Okay. And then the next one is this Bath Crystals. It is Hibiscus Rose, Calm, Nourish, and Hydrate. And it's in this little plastic pouch. It looks like a mason jar. Look how cute that is. And it is, I'm trying to see if it has an ounce. It's for all skin types, it says on it. And it does not have the size on it, but it's pretty big. There's my hand. And the next, I got this number 10 Lightest Blonde. It's from Color Reezy. And I got that. I picked up another thing from Global Beauty Care. It is the Charcoal and Carbon. It's a gel face mask, and you put it on and leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you take it off. Now, all this stuff that is in the beauty section, I'm going to test it all through the week, and on Friday, I'll do a video, and I'll give you a review of what I think about the products, if they worked right, if they smelled good, if they anything. And that'll be on Friday. Okay, and then I bought this Allure Night Calming Lavender Facial Cleansing Wipes. It's lavender scent. It helps to relax, and there's 30 wipes in it. And then there's this Almond Milk and agave. I can't see it that good. It's a Diva. It's super strengthening hair massage. And this is the bottle. Let me open it up so you can see. It comes in a seal. I like to open up the products before I buy them. That way I know somebody's not opened it and stuck their finger in it. I'm having a hard time getting this open here because it keeps sticking to my fingernails. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Let me smell it. Oh, you can smell the almond in it. It's real calming, and it smells real good. It's not real strong. Gotta put that over there so it doesn't get all over my other stuff where I open that seal up. And then this is a coconut and wild berry body Scrofy after shower cream. It's a body scrub, and this, it's sealed up too. And then the last one is it's a body yogurt after shower cream. It's watermelon and agave. Okay, that is it on the beauty supplies. Next, I have this beautiful box. It's not round, it's not square. I forget what this is called. But on the bottom, it's got, on the sides, it has all this beautiful greenery. And the side of the lid is pink with white polka dots. And then on top, inside is a real pale green. And on top is, you have 3 beautiful roses with a white background. Now this isn't a small box. This was the only one I seen. But again, with my hand and that's the size of it. And there's the side to my head. But it's pretty big. Now I picked up 2 of these mason jars with a long handle. I'm going to use this for a DIY, so be on the lookout in the future. And I picked up 2 of these, I don't know what they're called, but it's just, in the example here, they have pictures going on right here. And you can also get the little clothespins and put on it and add more pictures. But I'm going to be making something out of this. And I went ahead and got a hole puncher from Jot. Jot is my favorite brand for stuff in the stationery and paper products and pens and stuff. And they're beginning to come out with even more stuff. From the Crafter Square section, I have this stencil of the alphabet. And I got it, I love the font on it. I tried to find the letters that you just peel off and stick on, but in something like that font, but they didn't have that much. And I found this, it's a 4x6 photo frame, and it's shaped like a house with wood. I'm going to use this as a DIY too. I bought 2 of them. It was the last 2 they had. I really had to hunt for that one. And then this photo frame is a 4x6, and it looks like wood right through here, trimmed in white, and it says thankful on it. I think that's just beautiful as it is. I bought 4 of these Nordica rope cotton. They're 6.8 foot long. And it's not that brown color. It's the like beige tan. Real thick. It's just not as long as the other one that's 9 foot long. So that's the difference in them besides the color. I bought this for my daughter's upcoming wedding. It says, it's an arrow and it says gifts. And it has this little stand here so you can stand it up. And then we did the reception. I picked up that one. And the ceremony, picked up that one. And you can leave these as is and use them for what they're meant for, or you can paint over it and make your own DIY out of it. And then put your own words on it. That would be real nice. I bought one of each size of these little wooden storage boxes. I'm going to do a DIY on them. Let's see. Okay. Here's the... all three of them have a label right here where you can put a label in, or you can take it off, sand it down, stain it, or paint it, whichever you prefer. And the last of today's haul is these flowers. These are called Amaryllis. I think I didn't butcher that word. I picked up 2 of these because the berries right through here, the pink part, is a lot thicker and longer than the ones that they had at my store, which was real thin, the normal kind. And they only had 2 of them, so I grabbed these. And I'd never seen a red baby breath before, so I grabbed the last one they had of it. They had another one, but it was missing a bunch of the flowers. And this is the last item. It's just greenery. Let's see. Bouquet de Verdure. That's what it says right there. And this was the last one. I'm really not having luck finding greenery in my area. And I don't need 36 of them. If you go online to DollarTree.com, you can order stuff and have them shipped to you or your store. But I don't need 36 to 48 of them, you know. So I don't know what I'm going to do when it comes to making what I'm wanting to make out of the greenery. Okay, that's it for my haul today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.